Now, I usually try and cover a lot of budget-friendly smartphones on this channel because, let's face it, everyone's absolutely bloody skint right now. But today, we're going to be checking out a posh, mega expensive special edition smartphone, the Honor Magic V2 Porsche design. I don't actually know the price just yet, I'm covering this ahead of the official launch, but given the regular Honor Magic V2 would set you back £1,700, you can expect this thing to cost you at least 3 kidneys. Anyway, let's check out the Honor Magic V2 Porsche design, and for more on the latest and greatest tech, please do subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers! Alright, so if you're absolutely loaded, this is what you can expect. We have one Honor Magic V2 Porsche design. We've got an Honor branded stylus pen, and this even comes with its own ultra posh case, so you can sheath your stylus when it's not in use. You've actually got a pair of Honor supercharged 66-watt adapters, 2-pin and 3-pin. You've also got yourself a pair of USB cables, a Porsche branded SIM pokey pin thing, a lovely soft touch leather style case to keep your expensive new blower safe from harm. And there you have it, that's all the stuff you get chucked in the box. Now, it is a wee bit disappointing that when you first boot up the Honor Magic V2 Porsche edition, it doesn't spaff out a load of obnoxiously loud revving noises. Definitely a missed opportunity there. Of course, the major change for this special edition is the overall design. Just like the regular Honor Magic V2, it is an impressively skinny beast. Now, the arse end has been redesigned to resemble the iconic HUD of the Porsche 911. So you've now got this extra crease down the middle, and the camera housing has been redesigned too. And this is one of Porsche's own custom colours as well, which I'm going to balls up the pronunciation, I'll just say it right now. It's agate grey? Agate grey? Some form of grey anyway, but you know, I don't know anything about cars, don't really care about Porsche, and even I've got to admit this thing looks absolutely lovely. Is it worth many thousands of pounds lovely? Well, that's for you to decide. And in case you're curious, this is what the Honor Magic V2 Porsche design looks like with that snazzy case slapped on that back end. Doesn't really make the phone any more chunky, just offers that extra bit of protection. But yeah, it's just how slender the Honor Magic V2 is that always really impresses me, and the fact that you've got a near invisible crease on that internal display. And of course, MagicUI looking pretty stylish as well with all of the gold icons, although these do slightly clash with the more basic colourful icons of the likes of Facebook and Booking.com. And of course, you've also got that Porsche exclusive wallpaper. It's simple, it's straightforward, but it looks pretty bloody good. But again, it is just your standard Honor ringtones and alert sounds. Well, you could have had, again, a bit of Porsche revving action, something a bit more iconic maybe. As for the specs, well, once again, the Honor Magic V2 Porsche edition is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 that's now just over a year old, but still pretty capable. Also powered the original Magic V2. It's backed here by 16 gigs of RAM. You also got a full terabyte of storage. So just like the original foldable, you should comfortably be able to blast your way through any game out there. Give it a Genshin Impact, whatever. You've got yourself a 6.43 inch exterior OLED, and that can be expanded to a near 8 inches when you unfurl this mighty beast. It's the same camera setup on here as well. You've got a 50 megapixel primary shooter, a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter, and a 20 megapixel telephoto lens. You've also got yourself a 5,000 mAh capacity battery crammed in that slender chassis, so the Honor Magic V2, one of the best foldables around for battery life. And if you do need to juice it up quickly at any point, no worries, you've got 66 watt wide charging. Anyway, I've already fully reviewed the regular Honor Magic V2, so definitely go check that out for all you need to know on the performance, the battery life, the camera tech, yada yada. I'll try and remember to chuck a link up here above my baldy bonce. And that right there is the fresh new Porsche design special edition. What do you reckon? Are you absolutely loaded? Are you actually going to spruce up for this thing? It'd be great to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. Please do subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech, and have yourselves a really wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone, love you.